What's up, you guys? So we have traded yesterday, and I will do another trade recap for today for the trade that I took, which happened to be missed. So I missed the entry since I cannot. I always overthink to my emotions on this trade that I take yesterday. So let's start. So starting on the daily is we have a swing high right here, and I can expect price to just dump since we didn't close onto this previous day high, which is in here, previous day daily candle, bullish candle right here. So we close onto it. So the bias right now is bearish. So I marked this out, and then scaling down onto the hourly. So on the hourly, what I saw on the 1 hour time frame is we swept relatively equal highs right here, and then this would act right now as a rejection block, a reclaimed rejection block, since we already filled it, goes back onto it and goes back onto it 3 times again. And then I can expect price to fill this discount busy, since as you measure using your fib or your equilibrium, that's the 50% mark, and also this order block right here, that's for potential taking profits and where price should exactly go down. So we have now our point of interest, which is the rejection block, scaling down onto the 15-minute. So what I saw in the 15-minute is still the same point of interest. We have rejection block right here, a very big wick, and then we got sell side below, and then we got busy on the hourly, and then the order block. So there's really nothing to point out. Some kind of added confluence, a alignment onto the hourly POI, which is the rejection block. Scaling down onto the 5-minute. So this is what I saw on the 5-minute, where they swept relatively equal highs on the hourly, and then we get some kind of retracement to the upside for it to fill, and then we got sell side, and then I'm busy right here marked out on the 15-minute. So where the concept is, we already go back onto the rejection block 3 times. So when your session opens, PM session, which is 10:30 Manila time, since I live again on the Philippines, so I trade 10:30 PM. This is the trade that I could have took, since I miss it, because I need to work on my emotions, since this is just my second trade. So we got a manipulation, change the state, and then when PM session opens, New York dump all the way onto the sell side. So since on my trading rules, I'm only aiming for a 1:3 to 1:2 restored ratio, this is a good trade right here. We got a manipulation, goes back onto the rejection block on the hourly. We got inverse pivot gap, change the state. What I like about this reaction is we have a good reaction onto the change state of delivery right here. Goes back onto this rejection block, a mini rejection block on the 1 minute. So this is a trade I should have took, and then when PM session opens, it just dump all the way onto the hourly order block right here. So yeah, guys, I've learned a lot of lessons from here. By the way, this is just my second trade, so I could look forward for another trade later at 10:30 PM and do the trade recap tomorrow. So yeah, so this is a trade I could have took. Miss is a miss, so there is a lot of opportunities every day. So yeah, I could look forward to later's price action and then look for opportunities right there. Alright guys, so this is a very short video, just a trade recap. See you tomorrow.